You know, all that plastic we dump into the ocean. Well, it turns out it's playing a really long, slow game of hide and seek. For years, scientists have been puzzled. They'd calculate how much plastic we produce and how much ends up in the sea. But when they went looking for it on the ocean's surface, a huge chunk was just gone. It's a mystery that has baffled researchers, but a new study might have finally cracked the case. And the answer is both fascinating and a little bit terrifying. It turns out, sunlight is the key. We used to think plastic would just float around for a few years before breaking down and sinking. But this new research shows that ultraviolet light from the sun can keep plastic buoyant for much, much longer. We're not talking years. We're talking decades, or even a century. Imagine a plastic bottle from the 1980s, still bobbing around out there today, just enjoying the sunshine. This process is like a chemical sunscreen for the plastic, preventing it from getting waterlogged and heavy enough to sink.
So what does this mean?
It means the plastic isn't really missing. It's just floating around for an incredibly long time, getting broken down by the sun into smaller and smaller and while it's on the surface, it's a constant threat. Marine animals can mistake it for food, and it leaches harmful chemicals into the water. Professor Andrew Manning, an expert in this field, highlights that this study finally helps explain why so much plastic we expected to find was seemingly absent from the ocean surface. It's not gone, it's just on a much longer journey than we ever imagined. This discovery changes everything we thought we knew about plastic pollution. It's not a short-term problem that eventually sinks to the bottom and disappears from sight. It's a long-term surface issue, a floating legacy of our consumption that will haunt our oceans for generations. This makes our efforts to clean up our seas and, more importantly, to stop plastic from getting there in the first place more urgent than ever. The ocean is sending us a clear message. What we throw away doesn't just go away, it sticks around. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that shapes our world. See you next time.